So what's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see a NairaTrader review. So NairaTrader is a Nigerian-based proprietary trading firm, like prop firm, that allows traders to access funded accounts after passing evaluation challenges. It's especially popular among Nigerian traders because it supports local currency and offers relatively low entry costs. You can get access up to 10 million trading capital after passing evaluation, two-phase challenge system, and keep up to 70% of profits. You get around 10% profit target and 20% maximum drawdown, no daily drawdown in many cases, and many users report fast withdrawals, sometimes within hours. Others confirm payouts within 24 hours. It uses Naira for accounts and payments and low entry costs compared to global prop firms. But on the other hand, there are mixed reviews and some users report denied payouts or delays, complaints about rule change without notice, and technical issues. Also, there are reports of accounts being flagged and low trust signals from some security checks. So, short answer is, it is worth it if you're a Nigerian trader looking for a low-cost entry. You understand prop firm risks, and you're okay with potential inconsistencies. But avoid it if you want high reliability and transparency, you're risking money you can't afford to lose, and you prefer established firms. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.